Good day everyone, my name is Kate Rodriguez and we are going to tackle about the Open Authorization 2.0. First, I'm going to discuss about the client credential flow of Open Authorization 2.0, in which it is a secure authorization process where an application known as client directly requests access to resources from an API on behalf of itself, rather than on behalf of the user, using only its own credential like client ID and secret to authenticate and obtain an access token, which it then uses to securely access restricted resources without needing user interaction. So now I'm going to demonstrate to you on about Open Authorization 2.0. So first, is what I did first is I opened the developers.facebook.com, in which you will need to create or you will need to register your profile in order to have access on this page, because first it will need a verification of your profile, and then you can now create an app, in which in that app is when you go to the app setting, then basic, it will show your app ID and app secret, in which you will need that on your Postman. So after registering here is you will go to the Postman and have this URL. So what I did is that I this link open this link, and then I just click the app access token, in which it already shows the URL that you can just copy and paste on your Postman. So here your client ID here, in which you will get that on your app ID in developers.facebook.com, and then your client secret is the app secret, in which you will need that to show and copy it, then you will paste it on your Postman. So the result will look like this. You will now have when you send it, as you can see, I already changed the client ID based on the app ID on the Clams app, and then the client ID, which is the secret ID. And then when I send it, it already showed the access token, then token type, in which I will later on, this will benefit this, in which later on I will need it for the access. So now my challenges on this Open Authorization 2.0 is that when I register here in the developers.facebook.com, it was kind of a struggle for me, because my Gmail that I use on my Facebook account is I already forgot that password, and I only use my cell phone number for the security. So what I did is I just asked my sister for her FB account, and it turns out it allows the system. So upon verification is to she need to um she need to give her phone number, and then this app will just send verification code. So this is a bit, at the first place it was really a bit of a struggle, and then my second struggle is on the second struggle is when I am here on the overview, it already needs the user ID and then the access token. My user ID, the user ID that it wants is from my FB account, from the FB account of my sister. So what I did is I did this, the view page source, and then I just control F, then I just search for the user ID of my Facebook account, and then it already showed this, which is the user ID, in which I kind of struggle for how many hours, because I really don't know how to find my user ID on my Facebook, and I already searched on the Google about it, and then it's still not keep showing it. So upon using access here on my postman, even though I already input, as you can here here even though I already input the user ID the user ID of my Facebook, of the Facebook of my sister, and then the access token, it still keep on showing error, in which I don't know how to fix it at the moment. But I know how it works. But I know how will the results show, but I don't know why does it keep on showing error, even though I I kept on exploring, I kept on doing things just to show the result that I desire. So next is next is include any insight or challenges you encounter and how you resolve them. First thing that I resolved was that my registering here on the developers.facebook.com was a bit complicated, because my Gmail, I cannot access my Gmail. And then second is it's a lot of work to access my user ID, because even though I kept on researching about it, it's still not working. So that's all for my presentation.